Welcome to Asharfa English.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Where are you living?
I am living in this city.
What are you doing?
I am reading a book.
Are you still busy?
Yes, just a little more.
Are you at office?
Yes, I'm at office.
Is it your book?
Yes, it is my book.
Have you eaten lunch?
Yes, I have eaten lunch.
Are you feeling sick?
No, I feel fine.
Can you run fast?
Yes, I can run fast.
Is she your friend?
Yes, she is my friend.
Do you go to gym?
No, I don't go.
Are you from Germany?
No, I'm from Japan.
Is this your car?
No, that's not mine.
Have you seen him?
No, I haven't seen him.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I cook daily.
Are you coming now?
Yes, I'm coming now.
Have you done work?
Yes, I finished it.
Is she your teacher?
No, she is not.
Have you read book?
Yes, I read it.
Can you fix this?
No, I can't.
Is the food hot?
Yes, it's very hot.
Do you feel tired?
Yes, I feel tired.
Are you going home?
Yes, I'm going now.
Do you like tea?
No, I like coffee.
Are you at work?
No, I'm at home.
Have you called her?
No, not yet.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you.
Have you got bag?
Yes, I got it.
Is the door open?
No, it is closed.
Are you still sad?
No, I feel fine.
What are you fixing?
I am fixing my bag.
Where are you today?
I am at home today.
Can you sew this?
No, I can't sew.
Is that your cup?
Yes, it's mine.
Do you have keys?
No, I lost them.
Is the food ready?
No, not yet.
Can you play chess?
No, I can't play.
Is she your aunt?
Yes, she is.
Have you gone home?
No, not yet.
Do you like cake?
Yes, I like cake.
Are you drinking tea?
Yes, it is hot.
Have you met them?
Yes, they're nice.
What are you buying?
I am buying fresh fruit.
What are you writing?
I am writing my notes.
Do you like this place?
Yes, it's very nice.
Are you going out?
Yes, just for a walk.
When are you free today?
I'm free after 4 p.m.
Why are you so happy?
I got a new job today.
Do you know that man?
Yes, he's my uncle.
Why are you so quiet?
I'm just thinking.
Is that your umbrella?
No, mine is blue.
Do you like winter?
Yes, I love cold weather.
Are you at park?
Yes, I'm in park.
Do you have money?
Yes, a little.
Are you still here?
Yes, I'm here.
Have you fed Cat?
Yes, I did that.
Have you taken rest?
No, not yet.
Can you speak English?
Yes, very well.
Can you drive car?
Yes, I can drive.
Have you paid bill?
Yes, it's paid.
Do you go daily?
No, just weekly.
Are you at shop?
Yes, just entered.
Is your bag blue?
No, it's red.
Have you packed bag?
Yes, all packed.
Are you going out?
Yes, to market.
Have you cooked rice?
Yes, it's ready.
Where are you now?
I am at the bus stop.
Why are you sad?
Because I lost my book.
Why are you here?
I am here to meet you.
Do you like apples?
Yes, very much.
Is your name Sarah?
Yes, that's me.
Do you want tea?
Yes, please make.
Are you at park?
Yes, I'm in park.
Can you wait here?
Yes, I'll wait.
Is he your dad?
Yes, he is.
Is this your bike?
Yes, that's mine.
Have you cleaned it?
Yes, just now.
Do you like mango?
Yes, it's sweet.
Can you answer this?
Yes, I know it.
Is this your towel?
No, it's hers.
Have you read story?
Yes, it's good.
Are you watching TV?
Yes, a drama.
Are you ready now?
Yes, let's go.
Have you locked it?
Yes, all safe.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.